One thing that's really quite easy to do, but I still get asked a lot, is how to embed a video into a post in WordPress. So let's go and have a look. We'll add a new post, and you can type in a title if you want to, and then we need to choose the block. If you come up and you click on the plus and you just type in video, you'll be presented with a number of different options. You've got video. This will allow you to embed a video that's in your media library. WordPress embeds a WordPress library. YouTube embeds a YouTube video. And then you have other options for Vimeo, TikTok, Dailymotion, Animoto, TED, and WordPress TV. So pick the block that represents the type of video you want to embed. I'm going to choose YouTube, and when you insert the YouTube block, you can see that there is space here for the YouTube URL. So go over to YouTube and find the video that you want to embed. Let me just pause it, and then look for the share button. You can see the share button down here, which if you click will give you a link that you can copy. I can now close those down, and then I can paste in that link into the URL box. Click on the embed button, and you can see that the video is now embedded in my post, and I can actually play it from within the post. If I want to preview, let's preview in a new tab. You can see my video is now inside that post. You do have some options with the video. If you select the video block, you can go in and show some settings. You have advanced settings over here if you want to play around with the CSS. You can also go in and you can change the alignment. You can edit the URL. Now, this is embedding inside a post, but you can just as easily embed the video into a widget. So let's go over and have a look. With the new widget system in WordPress, you now use the Gutenberg blocks. So you can choose where you want the widget to appear. Let's say I want it to appear in the main sidebar. Let's go and we'll insert YouTube, paste in my URL, and now that is embedded into the main sidebar. Let's go over to the site and have a quick look, because you'll see that there is no main sidebar. That's because I've turned it off, so it's actually not showing there. But if I go to customize, I'm using the Astra theme. I can go to sidebar. I can say, well, let's by default put in a right sidebar. And if I go back and refresh, you can see that is now appearing in the right sidebar. Let's just disable that. And I'm going to go and insert one into the footer bar section, just to show you that you can do it. Let's update. We'll go back to the page. Remember, I turned off the sidebar over here, but it's not down here in the Astra footer. That's because in Astra you have to actually customize it to say that you want the footer to be shown. So just quickly, let's go over to the Astra settings. We'll go to the footer builder, and what I want to do here is insert a widget. When I insert that widget one, you can see now that the footer is appearing down there. Let's go back to the site and refresh, and you can see now we've got that down there in the footer area. So that's how you can very easily add videos to your WordPress posts, and also any area on your theme that accepts widgets.